They say true love don't exist no more, that it's too good to be true. But from day one, I knew I was staring in the eyes of the one that I would give my heart to. I found you late in life, unexpected. You said hello and took my breath away. And from that moment on, nothing else mattered than to have you right beside me every day. I love us, I love us. Now let's go out, conquer the world. I wanna spend my life with you. There's no one else that I would choose for my happily ever after, side by side for the rest of my life. You're my person, my best friend, hand in hand until the end. Who makes it all complete with you right here next to me? We've both been through things way before we met. You've got 2 kids, I've got 2 of my own. Fate brought us together, and we're so blessed, living life in one big happy home. Well, I love us, I love us. Now let's go out and conquer the spend my life with you. There's no one else I'd rather choose for my happily ever after, side by side for the rest of my life. You're my person, my best friend, hand in hand until the end. You're the one who makes it all complete right here next to me. I wanna kiss you all night long at Shell Beach, our favorite spot. Horseback as we watch the waves dance on the sand. You and I hand in hand. It's finally our turn, so let's go conquer the world. I'm right where I'm supposed to be, with you right here next to me. Right here next to me, with you right here next to me.